In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Time Doctor in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger organization, Time Doctor offers a range of features to help you manage your time and team more effectively. The setup process is straightforward, so let's dive right in, and I'll guide you every step of the way to get started quickly. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, as Time Doctor is compatible with all major browsers. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in Time Doctor. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of search results. Next, you'll want to click on the first link that appears, or specifically find the one with the URL timedoctor.com. This will take you directly to the official Time Doctor website, where you can access all the tools and information you'll need to get started. Now, once you're on the home page, look for the button that says Try it for free. This option allows you to explore the wide-ranging capabilities of Time Doctor without any upfront financial commitment, making it perfect for those who are just getting started or are curious about its features. Clicking this button will begin your journey towards setting up your account. At this point, you'll be prompted to create an account. You have two options here. You can either sign up using your email address or, for a quicker process, you can choose to sign in with your Google account. Using your Google account will streamline the registration process and save you the trouble of remembering yet another password. Go with whatever method you feel most comfortable with. Now that your account is set up, it's time to invite your team members. This is an important step if you're planning to use Time Doctor in a collaborative environment. By entering your team members' email addresses, you can easily bring them on board and start tracking everyone's productivity. Moreover, you can organize these team members into specific groups and assign them to relevant projects, ensuring that everyone knows their roles and responsibilities from the get-go. That's all it takes to set up Time Doctor. Before you know it, you'll be gaining valuable insights into how you and your team spend your time. As always, maintaining effective time management and enhancing productivity can drastically improve both personal performance and team outcomes. I hope you found this setup guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy time tracking with Time Doctor.